Hello everyone, I'm Flora from the chemical raw materials industry. Long-term antibiotic overuse leads to drug residues in livestock and antibiotic resistance, seriously impacting animal production and human health. There's an urgent need for natural antibiotic alternatives. Glycerol monolaurate GML offers broad-spectrum antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties without harmful residues, making it a safe, natural substitute for antibiotics. With the rise of antibiotic-free feed, developing safe antibiotic alternatives is crucial. Medium-chain fatty acids McFAS exhibit strong antimicrobial and antiviral effects, along with nutritional benefits. As natural antimicrobial lipids, they enhance immunity, improve growth performance, and meat quality, are highly effective, easily absorbed, and resistance-free. They hold great potential as feed additives. Follow us for more insights.